Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of My Life Lemons. In today's episode, I am going to do a review and a how-to assemble of the wooden pen organizer that I purchased on Shopee. Since I've been accumulating a lot of number of pens, I think it was already high time that I invested on a good pen organizer. So I decided to purchase this wooden organizer just because I think that it would hold, if not all, at least a good amount of my pens in it. Oh, and before I forget, I purchased this for 299 pesos, which I think is a pretty good deal. I really appreciate how this was packaged. First, it was encased in a box, and then the panels are bubble wrapped, so it's very secure. Now this is the manual or the assembly instruction. This wooden organizer actually came with a mobile phone stand, this cute bunny mobile phone stand. This was easy enough to put together, so here it is, done. And now for the first step, the drawer. So first, I sorted which panel goes where. But unlucky for me, this part didn't fit any of the sides. But good enough, the other side fitted at least. This is when I noticed that the other one had a thinner gap, so we had to file it down. Okay, this back part didn't exactly fit as well, but I just made do. You will see that after trying to place it in, I just decided to put the screws and secure it. It turned out actually sturdy enough, so I wasn't bothered. And now for the front panel. If I'm being honest, I have to say that this would be the highlight of the whole assembly, me putting in the knob for the drawer. And now for the second part. So basically, this is the back side of the body and the bottom casing of the drawer. And now for step 3. So this one will be the top part of the drawer. And now for step 4. These are going to be the horizontal dividers. And now for step 6. Okay, these are the side panels. This is what encloses the sides of the organizer. Okay, at first I was really disappointed with these because both sides did not fit. And I didn't want to do the same thing we did filing the gaps. So I just went ahead and decided to just put in the screws and secure them. And now, as you can see on the sides, those are the gaps. And now for step 7. So these panels are the vertical dividers. Now the very last step is putting in the drawer. Okay, I said earlier that I was disappointed with the gaps on the side, but actually once I thought about it, it's sort of like a good thing for me, because it actually gave me more room for my pens, which is a great thing. So I have to say that I really love and appreciate this wooden pen organizer. I find it really quite awesome that I'm able to use this wooden organizer not just to house my pens, but also for my glue stick, other accessories like my scissors, my clips, also my mechanical lead pencils, and my sharpener. So overall, this is such a great deal to get. So if you're like a pen collector like me and you're slightly obsessed with them, this is going to be a very good buy. I'm actually thinking of purchasing another one, but I am not sure where to put it next. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review and assemble video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and do look out for my future videos as well. Thank you and goodbye for now.